Coming in from the garage, here we are walking into the kitchen. You can see this is all open plan here. It's a beautiful outdoor area, large concrete pad here. These are the doors off the primary bedroom. Very quiet street. Got a bar area here where you can put some counter stools. Love this fireplace. Front door, a good sized porch off the front. These look like skylights, but they're actually the flatline lights. They're like huge hi-hats or recessed lights on the ceiling. Here's a secondary guest bedroom. The landscaping is beautiful. There's all kinds of unusual trees and fruit trees. Good sized closet in here. Hardwood floors. Here's the guest bath. You have an upstairs as well. I love this primary on the main level. Here are the doors off to the outside. So this could be a nursery. There's nothing that you're seeing out there. This is the backyard there. I left them closed so you can see the natural daylight in here. You've got a big closet there. You could have this entire thing as a closet or dressing room if you wanted to. It's a sitting room off your primary bedroom, which in itself is a good size. And then we have the primary bathroom, jet tub in the corner, which you can see all updated. We are on the upper level. Little Juliet balcony there over the backyard. Great location. So many people want to be in Arden. Lots and lots of storage. I've left the door open there so you can see it. 2 more doors to the storage in the eaves there. Your trees outside, so lots of light in here too. Hardwood floors up here as well. There's storage. There's storage as well. We're close to the airport without having planes going by. Here's from the top. We have contractors in doing last minute cleanup before it's listed here. Magnolia tree. Look at this magnolia tree. Imagine when that flowers. The front is as beautiful. It's very quiet here. You're very close to everything Arden has to offer, which is a lot. And airport road. So you've got shopping, you've got restaurants everywhere here. You've got the airport that's not very far away. You are about mid-level to Hendersonville and Asheville. Really great location. It's really probably the primary location that people want to be in when they come to the Asheville area, because it's a great jump off spot for anything you want to do.